I spent 20 minutes last week trying to get an AI to write a meal plan for my dog. Not a complicated request. I typed, "make a meal plan," and got a 7-day Mediterranean diet with wine pairings for a 40-pound golden retriever. I stared at the screen, genuinely wondering who between us was the idiot, me or the machine. Turns out the answer was instructive. That interaction, the one where I nearly fed my dog a Tuscan white bean salad, is basically the entire field of prompt engineering compressed into one embarrassing moment. The AI wasn't broken. I was just a terrible communicator. Imagine you need a monkey to grab a specific banana from a pile. You could point vaguely at the pile and hope for the best. Or you could show the monkey exactly which banana you want, demonstrate how to grab it, maybe even walk through the steps. The banana is the output you want. The way you communicate the task is the prompt. And the monkey, bless its heart, is the large language model doing its best to understand you. This is not my metaphor. It's genuinely how prompt engineers describe their work. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, literally tells people to think of their AI as an intern on their first day of the job. Provide clear, explicit instructions with all the necessary detail. Except this intern has read most of the internet and still needs you to specify that the meal plan is for a dog. Prompt engineering is now a $6.95 billion discipline. Grandview Research projects it's growing at a compound annual growth rate of 32.8% through 2030. The average prompt engineering in the United States earns about $131,000 a year, with top earners at Anthropic and OpenAI pulling total compensation past $500,000 once equity clears. All for writing really good instructions. So there are levels to how you communicate with a model, and researchers have given them proper names. Zero-shot prompting is like pointing at the banana pile and saying, "banana." No examples, no context, just a raw task description. Sometimes the monkey nails it. Sometimes you get a wine-paired Mediterranean diet for a canine. One-shot prompting is showing the monkey one example banana before asking it to grab the right one. Few-shot prompting is showing 3 or 4 examples. Each additional demonstration narrows the gap between what you want and what you get. Then, in January 2022, Jason Wei and his team at Google published something that changed the game. Their paper, Chain of Thought Prompting Elicits Reasoning in Large Language Models, showed that prompting a model to think step by step, to reason through intermediate stages before answering, improved performance on math and logic problems by 15 to 40%. Not a new model, not a hardware upgrade, just better instructions. And it got stranger. Researchers at the University of Tokyo, working with Google Research, discovered you could trigger this entire reasoning cascade by appending 5 words to any prompt. Let's think step by step. That's it. 5 words. 15 to 40% improvement on complex reasoning tasks. In June 2024, a researcher named Sander Schulhoff led a team of 32 people from OpenAI, Google, Stanford, and other institutions through a systematic analysis of over 1,500 academic papers on prompting. The result was the Prompt Report, an 80-plus page survey that cataloged 58 distinct prompting techniques. 58 ways to ask a machine a question. Some are intuitive. Give context, be specific, build on the conversation. Others are wonderfully strange. Anthropic's prompt engineers once improved a Fortune 500 company's AI accuracy by 20% using something called the scratchpad trick. They told the AI to show its work in a hidden scratchpad that customers never see. The act of writing out intermediate reasoning, even when nobody reads it, made the final answers measurably better. Like a student who gets smarter just by taking notes they never review. The gap between an amateur prompt and an expert prompt is not a feeling. Research-backed techniques consistently improve output quality by 20 to 60% on standardized benchmarks. Some companies report that effective prompt engineering improves overall AI system forgiveness by 200 to 400%. The model stays the same. The instructions change. Everything changes. I want to stop the banana metaphor for a moment and talk about you. Right now, whether you realize it or not, you are already prompt engineering. Every time you type something into ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, you are writing a prompt. Every time you rephrase because the first answer was garbage, you are iterating on a prompt. The difference between you and someone earning $175,000 doing this professionally is not talent or access. It's the awareness that what you type matters as much as what the model knows. Maybe more. The model is not stupid. GPT-3, released by OpenAI on May 28, 2020, had 175 billion parameters. The models running now make that look quaint. The problem is rarely that the AI cannot do the task. The problem is almost always that you were ambiguous. Claude Blattman, who writes about AI for professionals, put it cleanly. The gap between a mediocre AI interaction and a great one is almost always the prompt. Not the model, not the subscription tier, not some secret technique. Just how clearly you communicated what you wanted. This is why different models respond to different formatting. Claude Opus responds best to XML-tagged instructions, structured sections marked up like a web page. GPT prefers concise JSON schemas. The monkey is the same monkey, but one prefers you point with your left hand and the other prefers your right. Some skeptics push back. A report from Wharton's Generative AI Labs titled Prompting Science Report 2 suggests that chain-of-thought prompting may be losing some effectiveness as models get smarter. The monkey is learning to figure out which banana you want without the step-by-step instructions. But the standalone prompt engineer title has only decreased by about 30% since 2024, while roles requiring prompt engineering skills have tripled. The skill didn't vanish. It embedded itself into everything else. There's a darker side to this. When an AI cannot synthesize an answer from its training data, it doesn't say, "I don't know." It invents something plausible. These hallucinations happen because the model predicts text based on patterns, not factual understanding. A confidently wrong banana delivered with perfect grammar. Better prompts reduce hallucinations, but they don't eliminate them. No prompting technique does. The monkey will occasionally hand you a mango and insist it's a banana, and it will do so with complete conviction. Cluely, an AI company, reached $6 million in annual recurring revenue in just 2 months. Bolt hit $50 million in 5 months. Both companies are, by their own admission, obsessed with prompt engineering. Their system prompts are central to their products. The banana, when correctly specified, is worth a lot of money. My golden retriever never got the Tuscan white bean salad. I went back, told the AI I needed a meal plan for a 40-pound dog with a sensitive stomach, specified that I wanted portions in cups, not grams, asked it to avoid chicken because she's allergic, and requested it organize the plan by meal, not by day. Took me 90 seconds to rewrite the prompt. The result was actually useful. Same model, same subscription. Different banana entirely.